Hello guys, today I will show you how to wall hop on mobile in You versus Homer. I'm actually playing a training experience on Roblox right now because obviously I can't do it in the real You versus Homer as there would be a lot of chaos. Now this is really simple and I think you know what I'm talking about. The You versus Homer game on Roblox that's getting really popular recently. On mobile, what you want to do most likely is, as you know, you jump on top of this thing. I don't know how it's called in English. And basically, if you're in this position on the most tavern map, there are lots of different maps that can happen. If you want to move against this direction, the left, which is obviously the most common one, why would you go over here? You're gonna keep your joystick like this with your left thumb, and with your right thumb you're gonna hold the jump. Now you're gonna go here forward. Wait, I didn't wall hop. You're gonna get here forward, you're gonna jump, and then you're gonna put your right index finger here. You're gonna put it here, like in this semi-direction of the screen, and you jump and do it like that with 3 fingers on your screen. It can feel a bit uncomfortable and you're not gonna be able to do it at first. You also gotta time it, which is a bit complicated. I'm gonna show me doing some wall hops. Look at me. Yeah. My wall hop record without falling is 51 or 52, I don't remember, which is a lot. And in this game, if you do more than 50 wall hops, you get a badge and basically gain this gun. It's a really cool gun. Let's see if I can get past 30. Okay, that was 6. That was not past 30. But I believe I can do it. If you don't want to see me doing up to 30, you can already click off the video if that's all you wanted to see. Damn it. Damn. That was nice. Not really good though. I can do definitely better. I'm getting kind of rusty in this moment. I can time. Okay. No, damn it. I could have kept going. Let's keep trying. Let's keep trying. Let's keep trying. Let's keep trying. I can do a lot better than that, but that was still nice. Okay.
Domer.
I wanted to taunt because I like doing that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. No. Oh man, that was bad. Ooh! Oh, that was really good, but still not good enough. I know I can do better. Yeah, I was not getting the hang of it right there. I'm gonna retry.
Domer.
When I do past 30, then I will end this video. Okay, let's keep going. No. I'm kind of like going, like, I'm feeling too worried, like, not worried, but I'm feeling too anticipated, and like, I'm going too quickly, so like, I gotta be a bit more calmer. I'm gonna equip the Stone Bard skin, Because this skin first, no, not the silver, but the stone bard skin in this game gives me a lot of aura, and this is the skin in which I managed to do a 50 wall hop streak. Yeah, see, that was already much better, I think. Oh, okay. Nice, but not good enough. We are already past 15, which is half 30, so we're getting even closer every time. Ignore the notification, please. Also, this game has sound effects. I'm not adding anything. So yeah, whatever you're hearing is purely from the game. Oh, that was so close, but we're getting the hang of it. I'm getting the hang of it. Doing it on PC with alignment keys takes no skill, and it's really like fast. Okay. It's so much easier to do on PC with alignment keys, but with mobile you gotta rely on timing. I also have a small fever. That was nice, but still not 30. Okay, this is my final attempt. If it doesn't reach 30, it doesn't matter, because the video would be too long otherwise. Oh well, that was all. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Like and subscribe. Even if usually I wouldn't. Yeah, usually I'm not someone who begs for it, but please do it. And yeah, that's pretty much all. I don't know who this guy is though. I think maybe that's a dev. I don't know. Anyways, goodbye guys.